it tight. There's a space between the bumper and this upper part of the bumper. This is the chrome part of the bumper. This is the painted part of the bumper. All right, in between there is a couple pieces of steel. Here's one here, and here's another one. And this actually there's some thickness to that, and there's some thickness to this one. Of course, they're probably in millimeters, but they're less than 1/4 of an inch, probably 3/16. Well, in between here, back behind here, in between these two pieces right here, this one and this one, there's a hole, and I've indicated that right here with this dotted outline, and that's about an inch in width from here to here. So if you would put the dimensions in, that's 1 inch. And this one is 1/2 inch between the edge of this piece of steel and this hole, just the edge of it. So that's what we got to deal with. Two pieces, one of which is right here, but one of these two pieces, this one goes on this side here, but after I bolted it up, I measured between these two pieces and it's 15 inches. Now on an 07 Dodge 1500, these holes right here, there's one here, one over here, they're about 20 some inches apart. But these pieces I already had, I measured between them, and it's 15 inches. And then I measured from this one to the center. I made a center mark on the bumper, and it's 7 5/8. So I plan to do this, and I'll show what I'm going to do. This goes approximately like this. I got it against the level. And so what I'm going to do here, since this is an unknown amount right here, how far this is either this way or this way, I don't know that. So I'm going to make a plate like this in between here, and then it'll be adjustable. And then I'll weld it up solid I'll make marks on it, weld it up solid, and then put it back in there, into where it goes. Now I've made marks as to where I want the dimensions to be, and I've lined up everything with this level. And this one here has to be slightly above where this alignment is here. And this one right here, I took a grinder and a burr, and I made this a little bit bigger right here. Then I made this a little bit bigger right here with the burr. And then this one is going to go over here on this side, and this one over on this side here. So now I'm going to bolt everything up, and I'm going to use these bolts here. I'm going to try to use these. These are 1 inch by half an inch. Sometimes you have to go back and make the bolt holes a little bit bigger. So I might have to do that. I have to make this on the back. It's about 21 degrees out here, so my hands are getting really cold. And once I get this bolted up, then I'll take some measurements, make sure that it's okay. And then I'm going to have to refit it to the truck. Well, we got some welding to do right here to try to get this thing straightened out. Now I'm going to measure between these 2 points, and I'm going to have to make a bar that goes in back of this whole hitch.